I didn't have any documents with me because this document is not coming for us. Like if somebody panchayat, it comes to the panchayat. Unless until panchayat or committee members who are their villages, if they give us a document or they tell us, oh no, Raija is passed, we don't get a dream because this is passed by the ministers and all these guys.
People have asked you to
I will ask him.
Director of Panchayat.
Yeah, Director of Panchayat. I'll pass it through the Chief Minister. I pass it through the Chief Minister. Copy to him.
In how much time you will do this immediately?
No, I'll do it on by Monday evening or Tuesday. It will go to the Francis also. D'Souza. He is
We're going to Deputy Chief Minister, Director of Panchayat,
Director of Panchayat and Minister of Panchayat. So there is four of them.
and town council planning. Town they are very
That is a part of it.
Deputy Chief Minister.
Deputy Chief Minister will take care of it.
Supporting this public movement against Raija.
Yes, last time also I said that. 2013, I clearly said that Raija was sitting next to that. I said, no, I'm supporting him. I'm telling the villagers, I'm always telling them, united with the panchayat and take a decision. Take a decision. What is it? No, we are not going to do it. We are not going to do it. Ying meeting kello. And magir ogera wale don this. That is not going to happen.
The village is so stakeholder are the people of the village. Panchayat कसलीच right ना. हे license दिवपाक लोकांक right आसा. Right लोकांचो. You don't steal the right of the people. पंचायतीक सांगता पंचायतीक तू लोकांचो right चोरून व्हर नाका आणि तू sign मार नाका लोकांक नाका तू दिनाका sign.
We are going to object this project by tooth or nail. We will not allow them to function in our village. And if we have to go, even to the extent of taking morcha or come on the street, we are ready. We will even take morcha if we have to Panjim. And we will have another meeting with all the village groups on the coastal belt at Loya Moitan.